Hi guys, this is Crafty Cat. Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. We are here with a brand new Amazon Prime unboxing, unbagging video. And I know what this is and I'm pretty excited about it. Let's see if I can open this without scissors. I think I can. Oh yeah. So let's peek in here. Yay. So this isn't something I was planning on buying, but it went on sale and I could not resist. So this is a Lightwish watercolor sketchbook. I do not have another Lightwish watercolor sketchbook, but I do have a Lightwish watercolor calendar that I'm really enjoying painting on. I like the paper and I'm really hoping, fingers crossed, that this is as nice as the other one. Now, I did not get cold press this time. I got hot press because I have a lot of cold press paper and I think I only have one set of hot press. So I thought I'm going to get hot press this time. This is acid-free, 100% cotton, 7.6 inches by 5.1 inches, or 195 millimeters by 130. It's 300, whatever, 140 pounds, 300 grams. I don't know what that, per meter, I don't know why that is there. So there's 20 sheets, and it's got a nice cloth cover. It's got this pretty wrap. And let's just get the scissors out. Oh, sorry. Now it's my video. I hit the camera. Every time, you guys. Every time. I'm trying to open this without touching the paper at all. Just give me a second to get this paper off. All right. I just took a sip of water so I wouldn't have a coughing fit. I've been sick, you guys. Not really sick, but my asthma is not great. Anyway, this watercolor journal, it feels really nice. It feels lovely, actually. So, 20 pages, and it has this little ribbon. So the first page is glossy, and I don't know if this page counts. I don't usually use that page, but I don't know if you could see. But the back has some texture and the front is more smooth. So this is cold press. Yeah, the back. Okay, wait. Oh, I'm very confused. Maybe this is why it was on sale. I was going to say this was on sale for $9.99 Canadian, which is unheard of for 100% cotton for a journal like this for $9.99, 20 sheets. But I've just noticed it's supposed to be, I figured it would all be smooth, all right? But this is smooth, this is rough. So I thought if you turn the page, it would also be rough smooth, right? Hang on. But they're both rough now. So rough, rough. So maybe there was, and now this one is smooth. This one is rough. This one is smooth. This one is smooth. This one is rough. This one is smooth. So I think it was put together wrong. And I don't know which side is supposed to be the watercolor side. The texture or the non-texture. I was assuming the non-texture because it's hot press. And hot press is generally smoother. But I won't know until I try it out. And now we have two rough facing ones together. And then a smooth and a rough. A smooth and a smooth together. Yeah, I think this explains maybe why this one was on sale. Because it's usually double the price to get one of these. And I think it's just because when they put it together, the binding, they messed up. So I don't know whether the smooth is supposed to be the front and the rough is the back or vice versa. But this whole book is kind of wonkaloid. But that's okay because it's just a sketchbook and I can use front and back maybe. We'll see. I'll have to learn which side is better. Now, if you guys have ever tried this, let me know. At least I found out why there's none left available. And it was on sale for $9.99. And I don't know if it was just this one that was the problem. But it does have a nice little pocket at the back. I'm going to tell you, I've never once used the pocket. And it has this. I'm just going to keep this for now, because what I might do is just cut this out and tape it somewhere at the back so I remember what this is. Because when you take it off, I don't remember what book is what. You know what I mean? And the very back pages are glossy. But it's super cute. It's very plain. If I wanted to, I could paint on the front in acrylic, but I'm not going to bother. Yeah. It's super cute. I just wish I knew whether the rough is the front and the clear is the back or whatever. And it's pretty funny that here we've got two ones that are not rough. They're both smooth. Yeah, it's all wonky. So I think that's why it was on sale for $9.99. You're still getting the paper you want. And there's a perforation. So if I learn what side is the right side, I can just tear them out after I use them if I don't want to keep it as a sketchbook, you know? Because it's 100% cotton paper. That's nice paper. So I will have to practice and see what side I like better. But yeah, for $9.99, I could not pass this up. Would you? I thought that was a good thing. It only has 3 reviews, and they're not great reviews. One person is 5-star, one person is 4-star, and one person is 2-star. And I don't know if anyone wrote anything. Yeah, someone said it's very good quality, and I love the paper, but I wish I had given it a bigger size. And then the other one said, this book is not cold press as described. It's hot press. I'm returning it. But it says right on there that it's hot press. So the low star was just because they didn't read it, or maybe they had the wrong thing, you know, when they wrote it down the first time, and they have since changed it. I don't know. But for $9.99 for 100% cotton, I could not pass this up. So I'm very excited, even though it's all wonky. I'm pretty wonky too, so we're a good match. Anyway, that is it. I hope you liked it. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up. Hit that like button and the subscribe. Please hit that like button, the subscribe, the notification bell, all of those good things that help as a channel. I need all the help I can get, you guys. Let's face it. If you have any comments, let me know. If you've used this before and you have an idea of which is the front and which is the back and whether it makes a difference, let me know. Smooth or the rougher one? I don't know if you can even see it. There's the rougher side and there's the smoother side. All right, well, maybe I'll just discover it on my own if you guys don't know. So, but I do love reading your comments. So if you have anything to say about this, let me know. All right, guys, thank you so much. Take care. Stay safe. Happy crafting, happy painting, happy whatever it is you love to do. Bye, guys.